How to fix on-device encryption alert on your Google account. So as you notice that I have enabled the on-device encryption settings, and now you notice that I have received a little alert which shows you guys set a screen lock on your device to help secure your Android device. You can set up a screen lock. So why you see this alert, so it means that if you have already turned on the on device encryption on your Google account using your Android phone, so now you must need to set a screen lock to secure your Android device. So it means that if you set a screen lock on this device, your Android phone will be secure and all the encrypted data will be secure, so no one enabled to find it. So I want to just show you how to fix this alert. So you have to simply first tap on set screen lock. Now here you have to simply set a screen lock on your phone or tablet. So I want to just tap on set screen lock, and now here you will find a couple of options. So I want to just select here pin. So here I want to set up a security pin for my Android and also for my Google account. Tap on use now. So you need to simply once again confirm, and notice that I have successfully set up the screen lock. So now I want to just use screen lock here. So you notice that I have successfully fixed it. You are ready, and now you can use your screen lock as a key to unlock data encrypted on your device. So I want to just tap on done, and here you notice that on device encryption alert is successfully fixed. So in this way you can easily fix the on device encryption alert on a Google account by using your Android phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.